Well, hello again. I didn't expect to be back on video this soon, but I had a couple messages on my over the last video, the equipment review, that I neglected to put a couple items on there. Just two items, be real quick, and that's it for today. We just had my trekking poles. So these were a Black Diamond Trail Sport 2 with the flick lock. So this is as small as they go, like this, but I mean, you can see next to the length of my arm, that's just about how long they are. And so that was fine if I needed to shrink them and put them in my pack. And when I was doing some rock scrambles, I could put them on my pack and they were small enough. So a lot of them have 3 joints and they go even smaller, but this seemed to be fine for me. Very simple to work, bring it to the height. It's all measured out, and so you can know what your measurement is on there. And they work great. These are the same trekking poles that I started out with. You can see they've got a lot of wear and tear on them. The paint's worn off. The handles are perfect. No problem with that. The tips, I replaced 1 tip on each trekking pole. I think it cost me about 11 bucks to replace a tip. So 22 bucks for the whole course of the hike. Not bad at all. So thumbs up on the Black Diamond. You do have to be careful with the trekking poles, though. I know a lot of people, when they're going through the rocks, they dig in and they refuse to pull them out if they feel them start to get tight, get stuck in a hole. So I was always a little on the careful side with that. We had a lot of people out there going through 2 pairs, 3 pairs, and some of these people were using expensive poles that were over 100 bucks. I think these were $60, so it wasn't too bad. Item number 2 that I've neglected to mention, which was spectacular. I thought I mentioned these, but I don't think I did. I think I went over that somehow. My shoes. Prime piece of equipment. I went to the Oboz, O-B-O-Z. See if you can see it there. O-B-O-Z. And I went to these down 3 days into the hike because my Merrells were too tight in the toe box and they were causing tremendous foot pain and blisters for me. Nothing against them. I should have gotten a bigger pair. But these Oboz have a little wider toe box. They're a little bit more rounded as opposed to pointy. And just to show you, these are the second pair that I really used on the trail. And they have held up spectacularly. If you can see that sole, they still have a lot of tread left in them. I have 0 holes in the sides, 0 holes in the back. No visible wear on the inside. I mean, they really, really held up. So 2,200 miles out of 2 pairs of shoes, basically. I would recommend them highly. I had never even heard of Oboz before, but then I picked them up at an outfitter on the trail up 3rd day, wherever that is. I can't remember the name of that. It's the outfitter that's right on the trail, and people throw their shoes up when they quit at that point. But very high recommendation for the Oboz. But everybody, likes their own shoe and really got to try them out and see what you like. But these, right out of the box, I had never worn a pair before. Right out of the box at the outfitter, put them on and started hiking and never had an issue with them. So they were great. So as of now, that's all I know of that I missed. And it was good to talk to you again. And I hope everybody's doing well. Take care. Bye.